So what Bootstrap scrollspy will do? So see here. Bootstrap scrollspy means you can see here. Whenever I'm taking home when I'm taking, for home, I want to take one section. So let me remove all this garbage. I will write one section here. See this? Div class. What's the class name? Section 1. Section 1 we have taken. Otherwise, directly write section. Section class. What name? Section 1. So this is my class, sir. This is my class. And here I'm writing H1. I will say class margin top from 5. I want to say this is nothing but which page? Home page. So total how many pages we created? 5 pages now. Home, about, services, portfolio, contact. So I will create different session. One session, second session, third, fourth, fifth. So go to the second one. I will say session 2. This is about page. This is session 3. Services page. I will go to the session 4. This is known as what? Portfolio page. Last we have what is session 5. Contact page. And now you can see a refresh. Currently we got home, about, services like that. But I will go to the color picker now. Flat UI colors. I will go to the flat UI colors. I will take different color. So let me take light colors only. I will go to this one. I will take first one, this one. Otherwise, I will take this one. So tell me who is there here first? Section 1. So go there. Inside the header tag, I need to write what tag? Style tag. So I'm giving for section 1. I will say width, I want 100%. Height, I'm taking 470 pixel. And the background color, I want this one. So let me check. Refresh. 470, I think too much. No. 470 is very less. I will give 490. How much is covering? Let me check. Yeah, more I want. 570. Refresh. I will go forward 60. Refresh. What is coming? Home page. I want to bring in the center. To bring in the center. Here what we need to say? Text to what? Center. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, sir. Refresh. After home, sir, I will take another color. This color I will take. So go there. Copy. Paste. Paste here. And this is session 2. Similarly, I want to go for what here? Third session. I will take this color. Then I will go to the what? Session 4. Let's say this one. Last we have what? Session 5. This one we have like this. Refresh. So we are getting what here? Home, about, but there is a gap is coming now. Why gap is coming? I will go to the session. Okay. I have taken which tag? H1 tag. Because of that reason. Huh? Okay. Don't take margin, guys. You can take padding top. Padding top. Padding top. Padding top. Padding top. Now that problem will not be there. Refresh. Problem is there? Huh? No. So tell me default it is home. Okay, home page is coming. Okay, I can understand. Now, when I click about, it has to go to about page. So that is the reason what I will do for every section, I will declare one ID. This is nothing but which ID? Home ID. Tell me the second one. About ID. Third one. Service ID. Very good. Sounds good. Next, portfolio ID. Portfolio ID. Last we have what here? Contact ID. So what I want to do, these IDs I need to give here. What we wrote here? Hash. Hash home ID. Hash about ID. Hash service ID. Hash portfolio ID. Hash contact ID. And see the beauty. Refresh. Click about. Click services. Click portfolio. Click contact. Understood my point here now? So where we are clicking, it is going there or not now? And here I did not write what here? Text center. So now it comes here. Now if you click, it will go there. So don't ask me tomorrow. Every page is nothing but every section. Every page is every section here. So this is known as what here? Scroll spy. When I click about, it will go to about. If you click service, it will go to service. If I click portfolio, it will go to portfolio. Even we can do here also. For section also we can say top 5 padding. So now refresh, go to home. Anything is coming? No. Anyhow, not required. Understood everyone? So can you do it this? Online people understood how we are working with Bootstrap scroll spy.
Yes, sir.
So this is what I want to. This is what I want to explain actually to you people is. Today's my intention is to explain that only navbar like this. So see, let me go to the project now. I have one Bootstrap project with me. I will open in front of you people. Before that, let me save E drive. I have training. What's the batch? 15th batch, front end. And today is nothing but class 26th class. And remember, Monday will be the last class. Monday, I will explain how to create forms in Bootstrap. And one more topic is there, what here? Carousel, Bootstrap carousel. Image slider. What we call it is? Image slider. How images will move. So that I will explain tomorrow. I mean on Monday. So now let me open my project and I will show you what are the components we covered in the Bootstrap. Those components you can find in the project or not. So go to the what here? E drive. I will go to the what here? Front end, Bootstrap, main project, open here. So tell me what you can find here. I have services, portfolio, about, team, contacts. When I do minimize, click, click. Tell me what it is. Responsive navbar. You don't need to develop. You need to copy paste from my notes and do the changes. And one more thing it is, when I scroll, what is scrolling? Content. Is it getting scroll? No. And see this, if I click services, going to services, this is known as what? Bootstrap scrollspy. Yes or no, tell me. We are using in the project, sir. And here this is known as grid. Grid is having how many? 3. 1 row, 3 columns. And this is known as what? Icon, glypicon. This is known as what? Glypicons. Lock, monitor, cart. Yes or no, tell me. This is our normal font. Now we go to portfolio. Now tell me again, this is the row. Each row having how many columns? But this column is nothing but card 1, card 2, card 3. Total how many cards? 3 cards. 3 cards we have taken. Again below go. Another row, again 3 cards. This is nothing but cards. Card, card header, card body, card footer. Like that I have taken. This is image. This is your title. This is your text. Understood my point? No? So whatever we learned, you can find everything is present inside the project. Only in the proper way we need to design. Understood my point here now? So please understand, this is going to be very interesting one. So then we have amazing team like that. But whenever we do, we are creating like this, and whenever I do minimize, automatically it will converts like this. It's a responsive now. Yes or no, tell me? Yes. Responsive it becomes. Whenever maximize, it becomes like this. It comes in this way. Like this we can design. So tell me, quality thought website is good or our website is looking good?
Our website.
Normally, I'm telling you let me go to iHub Talent website. iHubTalent.com I'm going. Array, what is coming, man? Undefined array queue key. Okay. It's telling some security purpose. iHubTalent.com. I will go to iHubTalent.com website now. You only see. Undefined array queue. There is a problem with iHubTalent website. Let me open. Is it opening? Yeah, it's coming now. So this is what they created. And see this below how it looks like this. Like this. Like this. They have mentioned Google reviews, photos, something like that. They kept like this. And last we have this much, lot of gap is there. But see our also, see this, how it looking nice. We also created, where it is. I need to open one more time. See this. We also created, and when I do scroll, it comes like this. Just I'm showing you few things. So like this, if you click team will go portfolio, home, it will go to the top. Understood my point here? So remember that point here. Whatever I teach you till now, we can use every topic into our projects.